What's up everybody? So I'm gonna teach you how to edit videos and screen record on the CAPCUT app on your laptop. Once you've imported your video, you're gonna click on the effects button, search whatever effect you're looking for, and then add it to the clip. And it should give you something like this. I got too much work, don't
But yeah, the playback's lagging, but like I'm gonna leave the edited version at the end of the video so you see like how the final product looks. So yeah, just let me know how you feel about like this type of videos. If you're fucking with it, I'm gonna figure it out as we go. But yeah, just comment in the subs, comment in the comment section, and sub in the sub section. Niggas need to subscribe, bro.